Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Muscari and I'm a wine educator, content creator, and consultant from New York City. I came to wine a little bit unconventionally. My history actually was as a professional dancer. I had worked for major cruise lines and big companies like Walt Disney World, traveling all over the world for dance. I absolutely loved being up on stage telling that story. Fast forward a little bit, I retired and moved on to the fashion industry, which was really fun, but there was definitely something missing. Cue wine. It all started with a trip to Napa Valley in 2014. This was during harvest season, so I was able to see the grapes coming into the winery, being sorted and pressed. From there, we got to go down into the cellar with the winemaker and hear all about the story of the wine in the bottle. And it wasn't just any story, it was the story of the place, the geography, the history, and something particular about that vintage. And to me, seeing the choreography of the harvest and hearing all these stories, I really immediately connected it to my time as a dancer. Being out there telling the story on the stage was something really special. I came back to New York and immediately ran to my nearest wine shop and started asking questions all day long. She eventually said, "Nicole, you can't keep coming in here anymore. You have to go off and figure this out on your own." So I immediately signed up for the Wine and Spirits Education Trust, where I now hold an advanced certificate, and I also have a French wine scholar. I also decided to start a blog and social media page where I get to connect with great consumers like you and share about this passion, recommendation, and give a little bit of education about wines in a fun and approachable way. I am so excited to be part of the CH tasting panel so that we can go through and uncork all of the stories together. Wine to me is also a passport, so I look forward to traveling all over the world with you and sharing these great wines. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you soon from your pocket wine advisor, Nicole. Cheers!